Sa mga nag-earn via passive income, ano yung mga passive income ninyo? Para sa akin, ang ibig sabihin ng passive income is that wala kang ginagawa pero may perang pumapasok. So in our experience, there are three particular investments na nagbibigay sa amin ng passive income. First one is dividend stocks. We are investing in the stock market na nagbibigay sila ng dividends, and usually these are big companies. And the good thing about this is that the moment you invested in their shares and whatever yung performance ng negosyo nila, nagbibigay sila ng dividends on a quarterly, biannual, or annually. Depende rin sa performance nila. Pangalawang passive income namin ay galing sa REITs. It is a public real estate company na ma-access mo through the stock market. So yung mga malalaking buildings, usually like office buildings, the moment you buy their shares, you earn money because you are an investor and the company makes money through rentals. Examples of REITs in the Philippines are A-REIT, DDMPR, M-REIT, RCR, C-REIT, and based on observation, yung mga REITs natin dito sa Pilipinas, every quarter nila ni-release yung kanilang dividends. Hindi pa kasali yung mga capital gains dyan. Pangatlo naman is digital banks tulad ng CIMB, Maya, Ownbank, Maribank, GoTime, at iba pa. They usually give like 2.6% per annum to around 3.75% per annum na interest. Dati, mas malaki yung binibigay nila, but since they are now a little bit established sa market at marami na silang mga users, they are now controlling yung kanilang interest rates para hindi din sila malugi. Additional points lang that I want to share to you guys is that if you are starting out, hindi talaga tayo pwede mag-rely on passive income because the reality is sa passive income, you will only see the major impact of it the moment na mas malaki na yung capitalization mo. Sabihin na lang natin meron kang makukuha na 5% interest or dividends coming from a particular investment. What is 5% of 1,000 pesos? That's only 50 pesos. What is 5% ng 10,000? 500 pesos. What is 5% ng 100,000? 5,000 pesos. What is 5% ng 1 million? 50,000. If you notice, habang tumataas yung capitalization mo, mas lumalaki yung passive income na makukuha mo. In the beginning, hindi mo masyadong ma-feel yung value ng passive income kapag maliit lang yung capitalization mo. Therefore, kailangan talaga natin ng active income. We need to work so that we earn money, and a portion of that active income, we convert it into passive income through investments. So that eventually, hindi mo na kailangan yung active income because it is replaced by passive income. If you really want to work because you love working, then that is now a bonus. Kung dati, kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, yung passive income is a bonus, ang active income is a must. Darating yung point na baliktad na siya. Yung passive income mo is what's paying for your lifestyle, while naman yung active income mo is just something that you can have as a bonus. Kung ayaw mo magtrabaho, then hindi ka magtrabaho. Kung gusto mo magtrabaho, then magtrabaho ka. Para sa'yo, ano ba yung mga passive income mo ngayon? Pa-share naman sa comment section.